yours, mine, ours. I could do this for hours. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Love is in the air. Okay. Valentine's Day is less than a week away, and I love love. Okay. So, although I share love every day, I receive love every day, when it's a day of love, as such as Valentine's Day, your girl is super excited. Before I get into this video, let's say our three mantras, beautiful people. I am protected. I am divine beauty. I attract many blessings. Because we do, Zoe. I hope you repeated that as well. Okay? Welcome back to my channel, beautiful people. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because you want to be a part of the beautiful family. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also, hit the like button because I know you're going to like this video. And turn your notifications on so you'll be notified each time I come online with new content, or if I'm online on live, you know, hit the notification button, okay? Beautiful people, beautiful people. So it is officially February 2022. Can we? And we're here. We're alive. We're well. We're breathing. We're in good spirits. Can we clap for that one time? Give yourself a clap. Okay. Beautiful people, I wanted to share some Valentine's Day gift ideas or some Valentine's Day date ideas with the family. And to whoever, to new subbies as well that's about to join the family. Okay. Before I get into the gift ideas, I wanted to show you guys these beautiful roses that was sent to me from Rose Forever New York. Okay. It's a rose company located in New York. And you want to see what's in the box? Do you want to see what's in the box? Shout out to Rose Forever. I love roses, okay? Hours and hours and hours. Beautiful people, check out these beautiful pink, soft pink roses. Wow. They're so pretty. The cool thing about these roses is they are preserved. These roses will last you up to a year. Okay? Take a few steps back. They'll last you at minimum a year. So they can possibly last you longer than a year. Okay, beautiful people. They are so beautiful. So pretty. Your girl loves some roses. And the price range from this particular item was the medium box. I want to say it's the rose pink medium box. I'm going to leave the description and I'm going to leave the detail in the description. I'm also going to insert you a little. I'm putting it right here. When I edit the video, I'm going to put it right here to show you the breakdown of where you can go to purchase it and the correct name of this particular roses. They have many colors from pink to red to black to blue. Whether you want to have roses as this, or if you want to have like roses in a clear, nice like chandelier box. This is beautiful. This is only for my rose lovers, I would say, or for my fellas that want to gift their girls, their partner, their friends, whoever it may be, some roses. Okay, this is a good Valentine's Day gift idea, and the cool thing about it, if you check out Rose Forever New York website right now and you make a purchase, your roses will be delivered to you by Valentine's Day. I'm talking very fast. Let me slow this thing up. Beautiful people, I hope you're still here with me. Okay, don't forget to hit the like button. Also hit the subscribe button. Again, these beautiful roses are from Rose Forever. Thank you so much for sending me these roses. I've had these since December. So it's going on 2 months. Okay, the end of December. So it's going on 2 months and check them out, baby. Rose Forever, as you can see. Okay. Beautiful people, I'm in great spirits right now. I'm in a good mood. I hope you feel these positive vibrations. If you do, leave me a comment down in the comment area. Okay, let me know. Also, I have a new item added to my handbag collection. StayReadySwims.com. It's so, I call this the love bag. It feels so good, so plush, and the pink, it's the pink that attracts my eye. It's the pink for me, okay? The pink and the fur is made out of fox fur. No animals were harmed to make this bag. Okay, beautiful people, ladies, if you are feeling this bag, shop StayReadySwim.com. Again, it's called the love bag. The love bag. Love is in the air, baby. Love is in the air, okay? For the lovers and the pink lovers, Valentine's Day lovers, the love lovers, get yourself a heart-shaped bag. Shop StayReadySwim.com, beautiful people. All right, here we go. This is the part where, we drop the gems. Okay, this is the real meaning of the video. Beautiful people, a lot of people complain, oh, a money thing. I don't have any money. I don't have any money. I don't need any money. First of all, it's 2022. You should have money because there's so many things out there to make money online, outside, side apps. Okay, not saying you have to be a millionaire, billionaire, but if you are emotions and you are present, there's no, not having money should not be an excuse. Okay, so all right. But first, I want to list some gift ideas or some romantic gestures that you can do without spending a lot of money. Okay, are you ready? Number one, write your partner, your spouse, aka your Valentine, I should say, your Valentine's, a poem, a handwritten poem. Get yourself a sheet of paper, get yourself a pen, and write them a poem. If you are not familiar with poems is or what style of poem you like to write, there's always Google. Okay, you can Google to see the formats. Don't Google poems, okay? This handwritten poem is going to be right from your heart. It's going to be right from, within. So get yourself a paper, get yourself a pen, and write a heartfelt letter, poem to your partner. That's one thing you can do. Also, add balloons, add roses, add a teddy bear. That will cost you literally less than $40. Less than $40 for your Valentine's. There you go. Boom, boom, beautiful people. Number one is write a sweet letter. Add some roses. Add a teddy bear. Number two, make a home-cooked meal for your Valentine's. A home-cooked meal. What does your Valentine love to eat? Go ahead and go get the item from the grocery store, okay? Whether you're a male or a female, it doesn't mean because you're a male, the female has to cook for you, or because you're a female, the male has to cook for you. No, okay? Whichever way you like to flip it, your Valentine, if you want to cook for your Valentine, find out your Valentine's favorite meal. Go to the supermarket, get the items, make your Valentine's Day meal, okay? Make them their favorite meal. Also, go ahead and get yourself some candles. Even if you have to go to your local, Dollar Tree, your local dollar store, your local variety store to get yourself some little pink, look at me, love pink. Get yourself some little candles. Get yourself some candles. Spice up the house. Get yourself some rose petals. If you claim you don't have time to do it due to work or whatever you have to do for this week, check out Amazon. Okay, I'm gonna have some links in the description you can purchase some roses, you can purchase some candles. The link is gonna be right in the description, but Amazon doesn't fail, okay? And it will be to you before Valentine's Day. So cook your Valentine's a meal, add some candles, set the mood, turn on your favorite R&B songs, okay? Set the mood, serenade your Valentine's, make them feel special. That is what the day is for. Okay? I don't want to hear my beautiful people. Okay, my girls is part of the beautiful family. I don't want them coming back telling me Chanel, my boyfriend didn't do anything. He didn't do anything because he didn't have no money. Because these examples is little to no money. Okay? All right, beautiful people. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, love is in the air. All right, leave me some hearts down in the comments. All right, if you like to have some more gift ideas or some just to get into Valentine's Day spirit, don't hesitate to write me down in the comment. The comment box, I will respond. Also, restaurants. Right now, it's pandemic. I'm really not sure the restaurant rules, because they seem to change every few months or so. But that is always an option. If you want to be outside, want to be outdoors, if you have the courage to be outdoors, take your Valentines to either their favorite restaurant, if there's someone who likes to stay in harmony, or you can wow them with a new restaurant, okay? A new restaurant they've never been to. A new Black-owned restaurant they've never been to. Okay, honey. So that is another idea. I know we're so prone to looking on social media. You see all these, like, people who have, like, a money to spend. Let me take a few steps back. Enormous money, or they just have connections and ties. You see all these gifts that's being gifted, whether it's houses, whether it's cars or jets, these big things. Yes, that's cool and all. Do not allow that to take Valentine's Day, the specialness from Valentine's Day, away from you, okay, beautiful people? Can you hear me? Because love is in the air, and listen, as long as you create it, it's going to become whatever you want it to become. All right. Do not forget to get your Valentine's Day a gift. Do you hear me? And this is for everyone that's watching this channel at the moment, okay? In particular, for my, probably I would say older generation men, or men that's just so prone to, like, you know, I don't celebrate Valentine's Day. It's 2022, baby. The world has shifted, and you gonna celebrate it today, okay? Well, not today, but, you know, on Sunday. Beautiful people, I appreciate you watching this video. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, go ahead and hit the subscribe right now. Like this video, turn your notifications on, okay? Again, if you would like to ask me any questions pertaining to Valentine's Day, drop them down in the comment box. Also, beautiful people, I wanted to... People who probably just joined the beautiful family probably not aware of this, but I do have an email, okay? I have an email that I have for my beautiful people who aren't feeling too great, or just want somebody to speak to, or just needs a little pickup. And that's what it's for. Those who, listen, I'm going to share my email, but that's only if it's for if you really are in a moment where you want to speak to somebody. If you are in a down moment, because I know what it's like to be in a down moment, and I also know what it's like to not have anyone to speak to. And that's why I love, like, talking to my beautiful people, because you just never know. Literally, one conversation, back and forth conversation, can shift somebody's mindset from feeling as if they have nothing to live for to realizing they have everything. They have so much to live for, okay, beautiful people? So I'm going to be leaving my email down in the description box. As I said, please only email me for that particular reason. Just good energy. I'm not for dates, not for hookups, for that specific purpose, and also business inquiries, okay, such as Rose Forever. If you have a business and you'd like to ship me any items to do a review on it, let me know down in the comment box. Also, email me, shoot me an email, okay, beautiful people? I hope you have a blessed day. Enjoy your Valentine's Day. If you don't have a Valentine's, guess what? You have yourself. So cater to yourself. Do good things for yourself. Okay? If we don't do it for ourselves, then how can we expect anybody else to do it? Right, beautiful people? Stay blessed. I love you guys.